Today, we're talking about series. But before we talk about series, we have to talk about sequences. So a sequence is just an ordered list of values following some rule A of n. For example, this could be the rule of a sequence. Here's first term, second term, and so forth. A sequence is almost like a function, but not quite because of the inputs that these take. The difference between the two is that a sequence takes natural inputs, whereas a function takes real inputs. What that means is a sequence can only take values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, which are positive integers. But a function can take any real input like 1, 1/2, e, and other things like that. And this intuitively makes sense because you can evaluate a function at x equals 2.4, but you can't have the 2.4th term of a sequence. Now what a series is that it takes the same sequence and instead of listing the terms, it adds them. Through this process, it outputs a sum. The difference here is that a series outputs a value, whereas a sequence outputs a list, and series sum sequences. In an AP, you study the behavior of infinite series, where instead of just stopping at some term like I did here, you just keep adding the sequence forever. Some infinite series actually do end up settling on a finite value, even if you add an infinite number of terms. This is called convergence. Some series converge and some series don't, and I'll tell you how to find out in future videos.